Hey, what's up guys, this is MuziX and today we are going to talk about iQOO 5. This phone is special because this is going to come with some of the amazing specifications which you have not seen any other smartphone in this price range. It is going to come in 6.5 inches of Full HD plus AMOLED display, and this is going to come in curved bezel-less display and there will be smooth refresh rate of 120Hz. As I think this is the first smartphone from iQOO which is going to come in curved display. If we talk about the front selfie camera, it is going to come in punch hole design. As we have seen recent phone that has been launched by iQOO, they come MediaTek processor in them like iQOO Z1, Z1X. But this time things are not gonna remain same. They are going to come with Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, which is quite amazing, and this is 5G chipset, and here you are going to see 5G support in this smartphone. And if you talk about the RAM and storage, it's going to come with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, but most probably they are going to launch two variants of this smartphone. While one is going to come with 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, while other is going to come with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage. And this phone is also going to come with one of our most favorite thing that we missed a lot in 2020, that is headphone jack. And if we talk about its camera setup, it's going to come with 4 camera setup at back as the rumor suggests, with 64 megapixel of primary camera, 30 megapixel of ultra wide, 30 megapixel of telephoto and 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera unit. While on front there will be a 60 megapixel selfie shooter on the left side of this smartphone. As the leak suggests, there will be 4500 mAh of battery, while it is not yet confirmed whether it will be 4000 mAh of battery or 4500 mAh of battery, but it will be confirmed in future videos. And in this phone you are going to see those features that I think you have not seen in any other smartphone, and these features will make this smartphone stand out and it will make its own league. Is that it is going to come with 120 watt of fast charging support, which will charge your smartphone extremely fast like you have never seen before. If I tell you a little bit about its charging speed, it will be able to fully charge your smartphone in just 15 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Tell me about your thoughts of its charging speed in comment section down below. What will you do if you have that kind of charging speed? And if we talk about its launch date, it is going to come first in China on August of 17th, and then it will be launched in rest of the world. And if we talk about its pricing, it will be launched about $550 to $600. And this is it for this video. I hope that you will like this review about iQOO. If you like this review, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Catch you next one.